So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Nioh 3 fatal error DXGI error device removed. So how to do this, let's get started. First, what you need to do is make sure your graphics settings and graphic card drivers are up to date. Once you do this, what you need to do is go over to in-game settings and then go over to visuals. Then you have to turn off VSync and make sure you copy the same exact settings I'm going to show you. You can pause the video and see these settings. Go over to advanced settings and then copy these settings again. Make sure you set rendering resolution to 100%, and then once you do this, press Q on your keyboard and then click on confirm. Then go over to global illumination and then set it to very low. Once you do this, you have to restart your game and then hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.